It's welcome to my channel. My name is Sudarshan. Today in this video, what I would like to talk about is that what is about Aeroplane. If you're new to my channel, I request all of you guys to subscribe and notification bell so that you guys never miss my videos. Okay, let's get started. What it feels like when I have an aeroplane toy as well as a model airport at my home. This video, what I would like to say is that now I'm sitting in a very upgraded bedrooms, and what I would like to say is that maybe later days I would like to have Airbus 747 toys along with a model airport home, which means that in a table there could be airport, the flights will be standing order. It's like you're in an airport, right? It means in an international airport. And other thing I want to notice here is that really that kind of things gives me a change to progress in the future, as well as gives me the importance how I feel when I am inside the airport. It's like that, which means inside an international airport. For example, if you divide this into two, one is goes to passenger, another one is cargoes. These two things. So these two airports will be on that airport. Which means in my home I'll decorate airports, which means not the real airport, it's toy airport. Which means in the table, the flight standing, it feels like I'm in an airport. This is the thing I want to say. And at least I need a change to decorate my home and with airplanes. But horses will also be there. But certain things will be a change for me, so that it will bring me the happiness and get rid of unwanted moods. This is the thing. But still I'm looking for that to happen one day, but surely I will put all those photos on it once I uploaded everything in my home tour, along with an airplanes with airport too. Okay guys, this is the thing I wanted to do. But it may take time to build up that. I don't know how much more of time it will take, but it depends on my work and the thing I do. Okay, this is the thing. For everything, work is a thing. For everything, time must speak for everything. This is the true fact. So as far as it's concerned, I am willing to do work for airplanes as well as for horses. It means toy airplane, not the real airplane. Toy airplane presented in my home. Then it feels like you're inside an airport. Okay guys, this is it. In the next video, I'll see you with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.